Rajya Sabha ki MP Leishemba Sanajaoba na Parliament ta Manipur ki electoral constituencies sing diki illegal immigrants sing masak maming khangdok pinaba demand tawkre. Chathariba budget session asigi 0 hour matamda MP Sanajaoba na wafam asi pukhatladuna hauzik leiriba state asigi law and order ki fibam asina maram oiraga thabak amata ningthina pangthokpa ngamdre Kangpokpi, Tengnopal, Chandel, Churachandpur amadi Ferzol hariba district sing asida mafam marang khangdana khul kaya ama hengalakli. Lising amaga chamapan humpumapan dagina lising aniga taramari fawbagi manungda khul chanipan maudra humdoirom hengale thawong asina akhanaba furuf ama khaktana Manipur political gain launanaba thorang lakli Masidanatana illegal immigrants sing asana Indian administration bu nampu the lokshandana electoral politics ke thawong Chathanaba Honarakpadanatana Indo Myanmar International Border Asidagi Kudong Chaba Kaya Launaba Honarakli Haina House Kipukning Jingson Kibaga Luinana Kongtang Paikat Pinabataksan Ki Masigi Matakta India Lengagna delimitation ki process asi Chathaba Haudringeda existing electoral constituency ki thabak chathaduna illegal immigrants sing asi hana khangdokpa amadi English amaga chamapan yankai mathoi the base year oiduna NRC chana hanna bawafam pukhatki
The illegal immigrants are trying to penetrate Indian administration. They are also playing electoral politics through illegal infiltration by taking the advantage of porous Indo-Myanmar international border. So, my humble submission to the government of India is that before proceeding further for any kind of alteration like delimitation process in the existing electoral constituencies, it is mandatory to detect the illegal immigrant first by implementing NRC with base year 1951 and deport them to their respective countries. This will be the only logical solution. Otherwise, the state of Manipur will have a huge demographic imbalance and the indigenous people